Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I will show you how you could easily replace your computer's hard disk.
So before you proceed with opening your computer, make sure that you have the appropriate screwdrivers. And this is very important so that you open your computer without problems. Also, an additional thing which you might want to do is that you search in YouTube for your computer series or your computer brand, how to open that specific computer. For example, your computer name is X Series 500. You want to go to YouTube and type how to open computer X Series 500, just to avoid breaking anything and to avoid destroying anything in the computer. Next step, we will just turn our computer. Make sure to try different sizes of those screwdrivers if you have the opportunity to have multiple, so that you use the appropriate one. Next step, we'll just open our screw. Now I will use this little plastic tool to pull up. If it doesn't open, don't force it. Just try to look exactly how to open it without forcing anything. Normally it should go smoothly with you. Now that we have opened our computer, we'll proceed with the second step. To replace your computer's hard disk, you will need first to unplug the old hard disk. Some they will be covered and protected, and some they will be just like this. So for me, I will just pull it down and take it out, and I will bring the second one and plug it as it was mine, or as the first one was. And the last step will be that we will just close back our computer. But I will suggest to you, before you close back your computer, make sure to run your computer and to check if the hard disk is working and if there are any problems, so that you can recheck again without the need of opening and reclosing. Once you have checked and everything is fine, then you can proceed with closing back your computer.
I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or just send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.